Hey guys, welcome back. So in this lecture, I think this is going to be the most exciting lecture of all. So we are going to start coloring and creating our layers. So we will need colors definitely, and focusing on this layer. Okay. So let's turn off all those layers, and I'm currently focusing on just the middle layer, and probably focusing more on the color. So I need to select the bucket tool and you guess it right. The first color that goes here is definitely black. And immediately after creating one, what you need to do is go to your file and export. Now you need to export it as PNG. So you need to download it as PNG and click on download PNG. Now what you need to do is go to desktop where that was created. So it was NFT project and this one's the center person. So name it something in this way, center and one. It doesn't really matter, but better if you name it in this way and it will save a .png file. No need to worry for that. And that's done for this one. So now cut it and we are going to select a white color as well. So yeah, this might not seem clear for right now, but definitely will want it. So file, now export, download, again download PNG. Now let's, if you click on this name, you'll already get that center one thing. So just rename it in this way, center two, and that's done. Now probably I think a green color will also look nice. Okay, file, export, download, and then download as PNG. Again, select here, and this cell is center third. You can repeat this roughly a few number of times. It would be better if you repeat this up to six number of times, six, seven. That would be fine for creating all our collectibles. The more you create, the more the collectibles it form. So now this will be our center fourth. Yep, center fourth done. Now you can select any color. Let's select something like this one. And center five for this one. Okay, so you can select, let's select uh this blue thing. Okay, I'll prefer this blue. So we have already created six centers. That's fine. Let's create one last. I think this shade would look nice. Let's, for a combination, let's add something more. And you can add text as well. So I guess the minimum text size is 5 pixels. So it will look bigger definitely. No need to worry for that. And let's add right here actually. So what do I need want to add? So you might want to give probably any name, or if you want to give, you can give any signature as well. I've actually written here something, but I want the text color to be somewhat gray, and then it will be valuable. So probably I can do something with close to this color, then it will look nice. Still not. So okay, I guess, but yeah, that will be fine for me. So file and export this last copy. So we created I think seven. Yeah, that will be fine. So here that is the seventh one created. Now let's work on others as well in a similar fashion. Go to your preview and you can remove this color and probably start with this color. And what you need to select is bucket tool. So you see here this portion is quite not present right here. I don't know what happened. So perhaps we will be needing to copy this circle once again. Okay, so this is one of the issue with our pixel art site. When once you save it and delete it, it will actually get lost. Some person might get erased, some person might get lost. So no need to worry about that. We have always got some ways to work over them. Yeah. Now let's increase the size, and that would be done. Yep. Yeah, so we are done with that. Now is just placing of color. Go to your pocket tool and you can go to color option at here. Let's start with black. So you can create a combination or you can create a single color. Probably a single color would look better. So this is the corners. Export and download PNG. Now this is the corner. You know the file creating name pattern. Corner 1 and save that. Definitely next color I want is white. Again, file, export, download PNG, and corner 2. I guess I copied this name. And now let me select random layers. Let's select red. It's more like a maroon. I'll export, download PNG again. This time is corner 3. Now let's go with something uh this central, this blue, sky blue or light blue. File and you export, download. This will be your fourth, and okay, let's go with center green. This is some fun green. Download it again. This is your fifth. Let's just create one more. Let's go with this one. File, export, download, and download PNG. So here we have 6 of these as well. So that's one done. And now let's start working on our middle right. So I need to ask this one. Let's select the bucket layer and oh no, it filled the whole screen. Okay, so I guess okay. So this one filled the whole screen. Now this issue arises whenever our line is not properly drawn. Although it seems like every area is well captured, but sometimes the issue arises. So what I do is I probably redraw all of those lines. And just to confirm, I'm drawing this last portion twice. Let's keep it up to here and then let's repeat it up to here. So I think this goes right. Okay, so this worked. Okay, we can go to now colors tool and let's start saving this as well. So for this we go to our middle right and yes, guessed it right. It will be middle right 1. So I copied this name. Okay, let's save here. Now we want one white color as well. Again, download. Now this will be middle right 2. Let's select this color. Let's download it again. And this will be middle right 3. Again, let's go to a set of, let's select this blue this time. And go to file, export, download. And this will be middle right 4. Now select something to green. Select a very light green. Okay. Now file, export, download. Again, download. This will be our 5th. Let's focus one more. Let's give it some reddish layer as well. Okay, we can go with, let's go with dark one. Yeah. File, export, download, download PNG. So you can repeat this process. If you can do it on your own, that's absolutely great. So that's done. Now let's go back to preview. So this is done. Let's go with our bottom one's journey. Let's try filling it. Okay, let's try filling it. Okay, now this is rightly occupied, so no need to worry. Let's get to the top and let's fill it with black first of all. Now file, export, download, and download this. Now this is the bottom one, so here is our bottom and one. I am copying this name. Now let's try one with white as well. There should be a shortcut key for export, download as well. Probably it would have made our work a lot faster. Now we can select some other colors. Okay, let's select this one. So this will be our bottom third. Okay, now let's select this one. So this will be our bottom fourth. Let's select some dark yellowish layer. Okay, this is fine. And this shall be our 5th. Let's do one more. Okay, let's give it some light color. Okay. And this shall be our 6th. So we are done with this one as well. So let's open back our preview. Okay, let's close this. Okay, now we are done with our bottom. Let's go with now middle layer. So this is also working fine. Let's go to colors. And let's start saving this once again. So this will be middle left 1. Control C to that. File, export. This shall be the second one. Okay, let's keep this blue. So I'm choosing all the colors in random manner. There is no particular process for this. Okay, let's give it some interesting pink color. Wow, the ball is definitely going to be looking too weird with this pink one, but let's give it a try. Okay, and let's select some green as well. And this shall be our fifth. Let's try one more at least. Okay, let's give it this red. But probably we can go with the brown one. Yeah. That would look fine. So middle left option also completed. Now what we can do is go to our top right one. So this is also fine. Let's start again our journey with this one. File, export, download. And this is going to be our top right. Top right one. Control C to that. Let's select one white color as well. File, export, download. Okay, now this will be our top right too. Okay, let's select a new color. Okay, let's select some simple blue. Top right third. Okay, let's go with this interesting color with mixture of blue and a mixture of green. So this is our fourth. Now let's select something from here. This is looking interesting. File, export, download. This shall be our fifth one. Let's do one more. And let's give it some shade of red as well. It's more like a tango color, but that's fine. So here the top right is also done. Now let's focus on the top left. Okay, I was still there. Okay, that's good. Now file, export, download to that one. Okay, now this should be included on top left. That's copying the name. Top left done. Let's fill it with white as well. File, export, download, download PNG. And that's top left second. These two are fixed color while we keep on roaming around finding the perfect third color. This is our top left third. Green's already chosen, so let's focus on something blue. Let's focus actually this blue. So that will be our fourth one. And green's already done, so let's focus on something reddish. Yeah. So this will be our fifth. Let's create one more, one last. And let's give it a grace look. This shall be our sixth. Now it might seem like our work is well completed. Let's see. So we have the bottom layer with all these 6 images. We have our center layer with these 7 images and with a name as well there. Let's see for how it looks. So let's wait. So this is our corner image. So let's see, all the corners are right here. This corner looks amazing on its own. And this is our middle left. This is our middle right. This is our top left. Fine. This is our top right. That's fine. One thing we were missing from the starting is, let's create a new folder. What we want is a background. So we want some layers of background as well. Okay, so 100 by 100 pixel looks small, but think this is it what it is. So although this looks small, it's just fine. So you can create in a bigger canvas as well. You can create in 500 by 500, so no need to worry. Now for the background of 100 by 100, it's actually really simple. What I can do is I can simply add one layer, take it to the bottom and close this out. Just select this layer and let's name it, let's just give it BG for background. And for the background, I don't want any light shades or the dark shades also. So let's select some middle value from right here, light shade of middle. So okay, let's select this one. So this is their file, export download, and we are in background. Let's do BG1, BG for background. Okay, let's do, I guess we can do one white's fine. So this will be BG2. And yeah, we can do one this as well. This will be BG3. One more to the shade of blue. This shall be BG4. And this, I think we can go with yellowish. Okay. Export and download. This shall be BG5. Okay, we can go with one of these as well. So we had one of these layer, but never mind. This is BG6. I prefer, let's go in source for one more. I think we had this one as well. Okay, let's go with this one then. So this is BG7. I think we didn't had a complete white one though. Let's go with one last. Okay, we have it background. That completes this current project, current lecture basically. So we have created all of these except for the result, where now final result of our multiple NFT collectibles are going to be made. In this video, we have created a different layers for all of these, and now finally we are going to make a whole collection of all of these through a little bit of programming. So that's simple, no need to worry. And then we are going to merge it in this result folder. So that's all for this lecture. It was definitely long, so thank you for seeing this. I'll see you on the next lecture now.